Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can restore missing apps on Android. So to start, launch the Play Store, then at the top right corner tap at your profile picture and go to Manage Apps and Device. Now at the top select the Manage section, make sure that these devices selected here, then tap at this little arrow in front of it, scroll all the way to the bottom, and here press Not Installed filter. Now find the missing app that you'd like to install, then check it, and press, install or download button right over here. Now simply wait for the download and install procedures to be finished, or processes rather, and that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below, but as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.